I'm super excited. I'm so excited about this.
Today we are here to find out who has the best Starbucks order, which is me.
Starbucks में कोई जाके concentrate नहीं करता काम में. Starbucks में सब जाके Tinder swipe करते हैं. समझ में आया कि नहीं?
So I'm really excited to see what other people order and how they like their coffee and food.
Most of my memories of having Starbucks is either with my best friend or my dad because they both love it.
People be going to Starbucks and pretending to work just to look cool and stuff. I am people.
Let's get into it. I get the Java chip frap with a butter croissant.
I think Java chip is my second choice. So on days I want to try something extremely sweet and cold with cream on top, Java chip is usually my order.
People who get their frappes without whipped cream because you're trying to be healthy, let me tell you, it already has way too many calories. Cutting off the whipped cream ain't gonna do anything, so just have fun.
The Java chip frappe is actually the only drink that everyone was having when Starbucks had come new to India.
I love a Java chip frappe.
This is a legit frappe.
It has these chunks of chocolate in between, which is what I don't like. Like when I'm drinking something, I want to be able to drink it in peace.
It looks sad.
Butter croissant is just too long to say, so I'm calling this BC.
It looks sad by its own.
This tastes and smells like bun maska. That's what this is.
It's very, very flaky.
Croissant, I don't prefer eating these kind of just butter croissant.
But I would have enjoyed it more if there was something inside it.
Or like maybe chocolate.
Because for the money I'm paying for this croissant, I want at least an almond croissant. Almond croissant is a croissant that you should order. Not this mara hua, sasta, sponge jaisa dikhne wala croissant. This order gets 5 from me.
A 7.
A 7 on 10. My Starbucks order is a full 3-course meal. I start with the chicken cheese toast and a cold cup of the caramel macchiato, followed by the lemon loaf cake for dessert.
Look at this. It looks amazing.
I think this is something you can definitely order.
I am so excited for the food.
Apart from how messy it is to eat, it's really delicious.
The chicken is great because it's real chicken, it's not a sausage.
It has everything that would make one happy.
I can get behind this.
If you were eating this at the store itself, then maybe this would have been better because the crispiness is gone.
This chicken cheese toast is not bad, but it's not too great either. Like it's a solid middle of the road 5 on 10 situation happening with this.
It's really dry.
I like the texture and how it is the right amount of crispy on the outside.
It's slightly more dry than I would like it to be.
You need coffee to push it down. So this is nice. This is surprisingly really nice.
The amount of caramel has destroyed the taste of the coffee. I like the coffee in it, but I think the caramel is a little too much for me.
It tastes like Alpenliebe, but like somebody put a lot of Alpenliebe and a lot of water and just mixed it and with ice and gave it to me.
I would give this meal a 7.
4 out of 10.
5 on 10.
From Starbucks, I usually get a hot chocolate with blueberry muffin and a chicken seek pocket.
This order I am actually pretty excited about because this looks like a full course meal. You have the appetizer, you have the main, and you have the dessert.
I wouldn't go to Starbucks to drink hot chocolate.
I'm excited about this because this looks quite wholesome. Like it will fill me up.
This smells like patties. I really like this chicken seek pocket. I think it's a really good snack. It's not very filling, but it has a good amount of chicken and the filling is also really tasty. But very honestly, this tastes like chicken patties.
The chicken inside this chicken pocket is a sausage.
When you bite into it, it's really soft. The chicken seek, I'm like not so excited about. It was nice, but like nothing out of the park.
I personally don't like sausages.
I don't like how crumbly it is. It's getting everywhere. So rich and so delicious and weirdly creamy.
That there is a possibility for me to add more sugar to this, but the amount of sugar that they have added in this is just perfect.
Wow, so chocolatey, creamy and nice.
This has really uplifted my mood right now.
Wow, that's a great hot chocolate. I did not expect that.
It smells also so good.
It hits the right spots.
It smells like a festival. It's really dry and this powdered sugar is making it even more dry.
And they're so soft. It's not dry at all. It's really nice.
Oh my god, that muffin is so soft and so airy and so light. I want to sleep in it.
I don't hate it, but I have had better blueberry muffin.
Just the chicken seek pocket I wasn't so on board with, though everything else is amazing. Just for that, I think I would give this order an 8.
9 on 10.
7. It's a decent order. All hot mocha with hazelnut flavor and an egg white and chicken ham in multigrain croissant.
This order, honestly, I'm not very excited about because it is just a drink and this snack. I mean, this doesn't look very appetizing to me because the egg is literally oozing out.
Okay, so this has to be like the most adult meal out of them all.
This croissant sounds really delicious.
This is a very rich coffee, I have to say that.
It has a very prominent hazelnut flavor.
Okay, the hazelnut mocha is really good because of the hazelnut flavor. It's slightly on the sweeter side, but I don't really mind it sometimes.
This is not my cup of tea. Coffee.
So yeah, this is okay. Not bad, but not for me.
Sweet, but not sweet, but it's not bitter.
This is really good.
There's too much bread, but the egg and the chicken and the bread is a great combination. I have to say that.
This I'm taken aback by. This is so good.
This croissant has hit it out of the park.
This is a pretty good snack.
I think I will give this order a 7.5.
7 on 10, yep.
Like a 6. I'm honestly not surprised that I won. I mean, hot chocolate for the win.
Focus on me.
If you like, chop up.
I start with the chicken cheese toast and a cold cup of the caramel.
Leaf loaf, lemon 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 leaf loaf, chicken cheese toast, chicken cheese toast, chicken cheese toast, chicken cheese toast, chicken cheese toast,